Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. What we have done, weekly analysis, how it behave, we can say right now. Okay guys, what I have told you is that if it will take resistance from here or take resistance from here, then you can go for these levels. Okay guys, what happened is that it breaks. After that, taken resistance somewhere, I have taken here position. Okay guys, after very much volatile, you can see that continuously, so my SL is hit. Okay guys, after that my SL is hit it. So what I have done is that I am simply seeing it. After that, this green candle, small green candle, you can see that here I have taken my position and my SL will be somewhere this candle. Okay guys, this low. Okay guys, after it you can see that how nicely momentum has been, it is done. Okay guys, we have got very nice risk to reward, guys. Okay guys, after that you can see that double top. Because of double top, you can see here what is doing is here so much seller are activated. So what happened, I am seeing this is the candle what it's making. So I am shifted in 30 minutes, half this half candle only somewhere I have taken my position of shorting and put side. After that my SL will be somewhere, it's the red candle high. After that you can see that how nicely we got our this supporting areas target, guys. Okay guys, we have got very nice target up till here also, in upside momentum also, in downside momentum also. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair. This is the British pound versus US dollar. What we have been seeing is that this is continuously what happened, it is coming downside. Okay guys, what happened here, somewhere it taking position. Okay guys, somewhere here it is taking a supporting area. Okay guys, so what I want to see is that if it will break this level, then only I have to buy. Okay guys, after that it is continuously consolidating. After that, this green candle has been made, red candle is making, so I have taken somewhere here this third candle. Okay guys, and my SL will be this red candles high. Okay guys, after that it becomes so much volatile. Okay guys, so I have somewhere here I have booked my all profit and leave it. Okay guys, after that I am seeing that it is continuously taking resistance, but still I have not traded here because I am thinking that if it will give some breakout, then only I will take in that position. Okay guys, somewhere euro versus GBP, you can see that what happened is that what I have told you, if it will take a resistance. Okay guys, but what happened, you can see that nothing taken resistance here, somewhere it is consolidating. Okay guys, after here two times it is touching in a supporting area. So I am here in this green candle, I have taken my position, my SL will be this low. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely one-sided momentum we have got. Okay guys, after that, this first time it's I am pretty much sure that it will achieve up till here, but what I am seeing is that it came downside. Second time it's becoming a red candle. Okay guys, after that I am thinking that it will don't reach up till what we am thinking, so I have left here only this red candle somewhere here. Okay guys, somewhere here I have left in my and gain my whatever profit I have got. Very nice risk to reward we have got, and I have left it here. Okay guys, this is also one of the major thing what I have told you, and we have got very nice trade here also. What I have told you, if in this is the triangle, after that if it will take supports like this, then it will break and goes upside momentum. What happened, you can see here exactly here is taking a supporting area, this green candle. So I am taken my position at this green candle. Okay guys, somewhere here only, because I want very small SL. If it will hit, and then I will take one more entry. That's why I have taken somewhere here position. My SL is this green candle. Okay guys, somewhere here only, so my SL is very small. You can see that how nicely we have got our first target, second target also, and third target too, and fourth target. Okay, these four target all have hit it, guys. After that I am seeing that it is continuously consolidating and coming down like this pattern. It will came downside momentum. Okay guys, somewhere here only I am seeing is that after this, if it will break this line, so I am definitely gonna take this trade. So that's why I have taken my trade on this. So you can see that, guys, here somewhere. After that, this will break out. Okay guys, I will just show you this. this will be breakout, then I have to take here position. I have taken here somewhere position at this red candle. Okay guys, my SL will be this red candle high. Okay guys, this red candle high. Okay guys, after that you can see that continuously consolidating. I'm pretty much sure that if it will break, then I will achieve up till here. Okay guys, after that it breaks and tested also. You can see that it tested its resistance and came down. So I have got two trades in upside momentum also and downside momentum also. Both our trades are our so much nice and given us very nice profit. Okay guys, after that what I have told you is that if you know that in I have told you in the my learning video that if in this trend line, if it will goes like this, okay guys, if it will breaks, okay guys, if it will take on this trend line only support, then you can achieve your upper side targets. Okay guys, what happened our somewhere here only taking supporting area. So after this breakout or somewhere here you have to take, but after this breakout I am seeing it. So after this breakout has been happened in this green candle, my SL is very small because I know that if it will goes upside, I will give it will gives us very nice risk to reward and also gives us very nice profit. That's why I have taken very small SL here somewhere. I have entered somewhere here. Okay guys, somewhere here, and you can see that our first target is reached, second target also, and continuously consolidating. I have wanted to reach up till here, so it reaches here also our third target. Okay guys, like this you have to see. Also I have you have to join my channel, so go and check out my Discord server also. I have given in the link in the description also guys. I will share their post also, so many posts are there. So I'm show you also in my Telegram channel also. Okay guys, you can see that exactly here only taken support, our all target and we have reached. Okay guys, also I have told you in the euro versus euro, I am so much bullish in euro also. Okay guys, I will analyze that too in the ending video. Okay guys, you can see next AUD versus USDT. Okay guys, what we have discussed that if it will break upside, okay guys, if it will came downside somewhere, then it goes up till here. Okay guys, after exactly you can see that I have not done any editing or something. You can check out my yesterday's that analysis video also guys. Please go and check out that 7 to 11th forex analysis. Okay guys, you can see that exactly here only it taken resistance. So what I am doing is that in this red candle or this green candle top only, I have taken here position of short and my SL somewhere here. You can see that I have easily reached this target, and I have got very nice to risk to reward at least 1:6 or 1:9. Okay guys, I have got very nice risk to reward here also. So like this you have to see the analysis. Okay guys, after that I have not seen this because I have to see all the major pairs, so I have traded somewhere else. Okay guys, somewhere here also you can see here what happened. It's open gap up only. Okay guys, sideways only. After that it goes up till here. After that this red candle only, you can see here. After this came downside. Okay guys, this red candle I have taken on my position and my SL will be somewhere here. Okay guys, I have taken this is because I have traded very small quantity, my 20% capital only I have taken somewhere here, and my SL will be somewhere here. I have got 1:2. That is enough for me for this trade. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair for trading. You can see here exactly what I have told you. If it will break this line in, then we can go for upside momentum. You can see that taken resistance, then exactly here only it continuously taking resistance. After it break out, I am not interested in this because I think it will maybe volatile. After that what I am kept is that if it will came here somewhere, so my position will be triggered. So what happened is that somewhere here only I have my buying position I have kept it. So my buying position has been triggered here somewhere. Okay guys, my SL is this green candle. Why this green candle? Because buyer are defending this green candle. That's why my SL is somewhere here. Okay guys, and I have triggered somewhere here. Okay guys, after that you can see that our first target, second target, third target, even fourth target and fifth target, all targeted we have achieved. Okay guys, then you can see that taken resistance, came down, taken resistance, came down. Like this you have to see the analysis. Okay guys, whatever we have done analysis major forex pair, all almost 80 to 90% all achieved our target, and also the logic is there. That's why I'm telling you, because of logic, because you can see that what I have wanted to tell you is that you have to see the logic and you have to become an independent trader. Don't you don't have to depend on me, or I will do analysis in that type only. You can take some analysis I have shown you previous also. Because of this is the high. Okay guys, after that it's make a low. After this breakout, okay guys, after this breakout, this low is breakout, I have taken position. These you have to note it down in your book or somewhere else, so this will help you in the trading. Okay guys, after that you can see that I am not traded in this, but you can see that it reaches our second target little bit only, it came. After that only seller have very much dominating. After taken resistance, our first target and second target two hitted here. Okay guys, after that you can see that here also our you can see that on this day only, and this green candle has been made. This green candle also you can take, and up till here also. So we have got very nice target, and downside also we have got our downside momentum. Okay guys, we have got very nice trade here also. You can see that taken resistance, resistance, resistance. I have told you two times is enough to take a resistance. If it third times going, it will definitely break. If it not breaking, means it continuously seller is coming, but buyer are so much dominated. At four time also it will break, definitely break. You can see that how nicely it breaks, but it is taking right now a support. Okay guys, we can see in GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, British pound versus Japanese yen. What I am seeing is that it is continuously in a sideways market only, not taken resistance somewhere here. So I am not interested in here, because I am very much bullish in euro. Okay guys, because I am told you euro is so much bullish, so I am so much bullish in euro. Okay guys, in euro versus USD also you can see what I have told you is that why I am bullish, because it is continuously, we can go in one daily chart. Okay guys, I will just shift this. You can see that it is continuously falling. Okay guys, it has made M pattern, after it is continuously falling right now. Okay guys, somewhere all the major pairs also, and some of the not major pairs, but they are showing some of the reversible. That's why I am so much bullish in euro. Okay guys, and that's why I have given you some of the Telegram channel also. I have given you some of the euro versus USD's analysis also, how they work. We gonna see, and I will show you how the analysis I have posted in the Telegram channel also. Okay guys.